Alright guys, to create your bibliography, the first thing you're going to do is go to a website called easybib.com. And so easybib.com looks like this. Yes, there are ads, but we'll deal with that. Okay, so easybib.com, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to create citations. That's what we're going to use this for today. So the first thing we're going to do is our book source, because we did that first. So it says choose your source. Our first source was a book. Okay, so whenever it says find your book, you guys know all the information you need. So you'll press I'll enter the source information manually. So whenever we go to this, it just asks for some information. If you don't have everything, that's okay. But for a book, more than likely you will. So I'm going to leave this as citing the whole book. And I know my author's name. So my author for this one was, first name is Tim Johnson. Okay, my source title is called Koalas. And I don't have any of this information, so I'm going to leave it blank. My publisher was Grolier, and the year this was published was 2009. Okay, so I have all the information that I needed to come up with, so I'm going to press complete citation. So it'll generate my citation, and it shows me what I need. I'm going to press copy bibliography citation. And then I just copy and paste. It's now on my clipboard, so I just copy and paste that onto my bibliography page on my slideshow. Okay, so now I want to create another citation. And so I'm going to press create a new citation. It's going to be bring me back to that home page. So this time I'm going to do a website source. And I use National Geographic. I use National Geographic Kids. So I'm going to search for the page on koalas. So that brings me to this article. So the easiest thing to do, at least at first, because we will have to change some information, is you can enter your URL or your web address into this spot right here. So that's what I'm going to do. So what I need to do with that is I am going to highlight this information, I'll copy it, and then I'll go back to EasyBib and I will paste it into that search ribbon. I'll press search. There are going to be some things I have to change. This is not as easy as it looks. So I'll press Cite. It comes up with a lot of information, but some of it's incorrect. So like website title, that's not what it's called. So we'll go continue. And we don't have an author. This is not the name of a person, so we're going to take that out. And then the name of my website is not Kids, Games, Animals, Stories, and More. It's National Geographic Kids. And my publisher, I have to go back down to this. You guys should have it written down. But the publisher, according to this, is National Geographic Partners, LLC. So that's what I'm going to type in there. And according to this, we couldn't find this on the article, but it was published on June 14th, 2019. So we'll keep that. So I think we're good there. We're going to go complete citation. It's going to be processed. And it appears for us. So we're going to copy the bibliography citation and put it into our bibliography page on our slideshow. All right, and so we will go to that next.